Good morning, class 5th. Hope you are fit and fine at your homes. So, class 5th, today we are going to start lesson number 7, that is Internet Services, and today date is 13 June 2020. So, why I have chosen lesson number 7? Because this is one of the easiest and interesting chapter of your syllabus. So, what is internet? Internet is the global network that connects millions of computers. And with the help of internet, we can find information about anything. We can do online shopping, we can fill bills by sitting at your homes, and much more things we can do with the help of internet. So, let's begin. Internet is one of the best technologies gifted to mankind. It has brought the entire world close, and internet stands for international network. What is the full form of internet? International network. As inter stand for international and net stands for network, and it is the largest computer network in the world that connect millions of computers. जो इंटरनेट है वो क्या है? लार्जेस्ट कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क है, कंप्यूटर्स का सबसे बड़ा नेटवर्क है इन द वर्ल्ड, जो कनेक्ट करता है मिलियंस ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स को. एंड व्हाट इज नेटवर्क? अ नेटवर्क इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ 2 or more computer systems. Network is a collection of 2 or more computer systems that are linked together to form a global network. So when multiple networks are togetherly work, then that is called network. Then that one is called global network. So these computers are connected through telephone lines, modems, satellite links or other means, enabling them to share information amongst each other. So by connecting modems, satellite links or other means, we can share information to any person. So the invention of internet has transformed our living. It has revolutionized the whole world and made computers the most effective communication tools. So communication has given rapid growth to business worldwide. Internet is constantly evolving tool that not only contain huge variety of information but also provides new ways of interacting and connecting with people. सो जब से इंटरनेट आया हमारी लिविंग क्या है? ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड हो गई है. एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ इंटरनेट वी कैन find information, we can share information to any person, whether it is sitting in Canada, whether it is sitting in he or she is sitting in Australia. We can connect with peoples that they are sitting in geographically different locations. So here are ways to connect to the internet. So we have to so there is need of modems, telephone lines and internet connection if we want to connect our computer with internet. So first one device that is needed to connect our computer with internet is modem, as modem stands for modulator and demodulator. What is the full form of modem? Modulator, demodulator. And it is a device which allows the computers to send or receive information through telephone lines by converting digital data into an analog signals. So what will modem do? Modem will convert digital data into the analog signals. So modulator converts digital information of a computer into analog mode at the transmitting end, and the demodulator further converts back the analog signals to the digital at the receiving end. So basically modems are responsible for converting data, for converting digital data into the analog signals. So what is digital data? What are the digital signals? Digital signals are in the form of this type. And what are the analog signals? Analog signals are in the form of this type, like sine waves. So next, modem are classified into 3 types: internal modem, external modem, and third one is PC card modem. So first one is internal modem. Internal modem is a device that is already installed in the computer. So internal modems are already present in our computer, and it is in the form of card that is inserted into one of the slot on the main board. So it is in the shape of card that is inserted, that are present in our main board's slot. So next we have external. So this one is the picture of internal modem. Next one type we have external modem. It is the type of modem that is installed outside the CPU. So it is in the form of a box that is normally connected to the USB port of a computer. जो कंप्यूटर की USB पोर्ट होती है जहाँ पे हम पेन ड्राइव अटैच करते हैं या कोई और अनदर जो डिवाइस है एक्सटर्नल डिवाइस अटैच करते हैं वहाँ पे इसको कनेक्ट करते हैं. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ मॉडम has indicator lights that display the status of the modem. Its speed is measured in we can measure in kbps, kilobits per second, and although a modem can have a maximum speed of 56 kbps, but if the telephone line quality is not so good, it will not be able to work with its maximum speed. अगर टेलीफोन लाइन जिसके थ्रू सिग्नल्स ट्रांसफ़र होते हैं उसकी क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं है तो मॉडम भी क्या है उतनी स्पीड में डाटा ट्रांसफ़र नहीं कर सकता. सो दिस वन इज़ द पिक्चर ऑफ external modem. It is in the shape of box. At last we have third type, we have PC card modem. It is specially designed for laptops and handheld computers. It is similar to the size of a credit card as you can see from here and fit into the PC card slots on notebook and handheld computer. So these PC card modem computers are in the combination of external and internal modem, and this card is powered by a computer. So PC card modem is the combination of external modem and the internal modems. Next one thing that is required to connect our PC with the internet is telephone line. As telephone line is a medium that is used to connect the computer to an internet service provider. With the help of telephone line we can connect to our ISP, that is internet service provider. So I will later discuss what is ISP. Internet, next we have internet connection. An internet connection is a service provided by an internet service provider in exchange for a fee. So who will provide internet connection service? ISP, that is your internet service provider. So you will not be able to access internet unless you subscribe for a connection with any ISP. Some of the most popular ISPs are, so basically what are the ISP? ISP are the companies that provide internet facilities in exchange for a fee. जो इंटरनेट फैसिलिटी हमें प्रोवाइड करती हैं बट एज अ रिजल्ट हमें क्या पे करना पड़ता है, उसके लिए हमें थोड़ी सी फीस भी पे करनी पड़ती है. वी हैव टू पे सम मनी. So companies that are provide internet facilities are BSNL, Reliance, Airtel, Sifi, Idea Cellular, Vodafone, and most of the persons are using Jio ISP service. So next we have types of internet connection. Types of internet connection. So first one we have dial-up connection. So जो dial-up connection है that requires the users to link their phone line to a computer. So this particular type of connection does not allow the users to make or receive phones through their home phones service while using internet. तो ये जो dial-up connection है इसकी हेल्प से हम क्या हैं, हम अपने फ़ोन लाइन को सॉरी जो कंप्यूटर है उस पर हम क्या है इंटरनेट एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. बट इसमें जो प्रॉब्लम क्या है, इसमें फैसिलिटी नहीं है कि हम फ़ोन कॉल कर सकते हैं किसी और पर्सन को. वी आर नॉट अलाउ यूजर्स, इट विल नॉट अलाउ यूजर्स टू मेक और रिसीव फ़ोन कॉल्स. इसकी हेल्प से जो डायल-अप कनेक्शन है इसकी हेल्प से हम कॉल्स वगैरह नहीं कर सकते हैं. Next one we have broadband connection. As the name suggests, this connection uses wide bandwidth. So what is bandwidth here? Bandwidth is the carrying capacity of the network. Means जो हमारा जो नेटवर्क है वो कितनी अमाउंट में डेटा ट्रांसफ़र कर सकता है, दैट वन इज कॉल्ड बैंडविड्थ. सो जो ब्रॉडबैंड कनेक्शन है ये हाई स्पीड इंटरनेट एक्सेस प्रोवाइड करते हैं. दे आर फास्टर देन अ डायल अप कनेक्शन and they with the help of broadband connection we can share videos, download music, programs or photos within no time. As dial-up connection, a broadband connection does not disrupt your phone line and you can do free calls and receive calls while online. जैसे डायल-अप कनेक्शन में हम फ्री कॉल्स नहीं कर सकते हैं बट ब्रॉडबैंड कनेक्शन प्रोवाइड फैसिलिटी टू मेक और रिसीव कॉल्स वाइल ऑनलाइन. नेक्स्ट वी हैव केबल टीवी कनेक्शन. जैसे अगर हमने फ़ोन पे टीवी देख सकते हैं तो उसके लिए हमें क्या चाहिए, केबल टीवी कनेक्शन. एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ केबल टीवी कनेक्शन वी कैन access internet also. Next one we have satellite connection. तो जहाँ पे कुछ एरियाज में ब्रॉडबैंड फैसिलिटी नहीं होती, then we can use satellite connections. Next is DSL. DSL service, that is digital subscriber line. What is the full form of DSL? Digital subscriber line. A DSL uses two-wire copper telephone line, and it allows you to make calls even when you are connected to the internet, and it is the form of broadband connection where you are required to pay a monthly fees to an ISP for accessing the internet. So जो DSL है उसमें क्या है, हमें मंथली फीस पे करनी पड़ती है जैसे कि हम पे करते हैं ब्रॉडबैंड कनेक्शन में. Next we have wireless connection, and wireless connection makes use of radio frequency to connect to the internet and offers great speed and can be accessed from any location. So जो wireless connection है इसमें क्या radio frequency it will use, and with the help of wireless connection we can connect our computer to the internet. Next we have mobile internet. As nowadays we are using mobile internet at our mobiles. Mobile internet allow a user to access internet over a smartphone using the network, and this technology provide high speed wireless internet access, and we are getting speeds like 2G, 3G, 4G, and even China 5G technology is going on. But in India we are using 4G technology. At last we have hotspots. So what are the hotspot? Hotspot are the sites that provide wireless internet access over short distances, approximately into a 20 meters. So जब अब हमारे जो कंप्यूटर है या हमारा जो मोबाइल है उस पर इंटरनेट फैसिलिटी नहीं अवेलेबल होती, तो हम क्या यूज़ कर सकते हैं, किसी और अनदर पर्सन से हॉटस्पॉट ऑन करवा के हम उसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. बट वहाँ पे क्या है, कुछ रिस्ट्रिक्शंस होती है. वी कैन यूज़ hotspot only within the 20 meter distance only. So it uses Wi-Fi technology and allows the users to connect to the computer or internet through radio waves. And hotspot can be phone based, commercial or free to be public, and can be found at places such as airports, universities, cafes and hotels. जैसे कि जो रेलवे स्टेशन है वहाँ पे, कुछ रेलवे स्टेशन जो टाउन्स के हैं वहाँ पे फैसिलिटी है कि हम उनका हॉटस्पॉट फ्री में यूज़ कर सकते हैं. So that one is called hotspot. So these are some of the services and types of internet connections. So this is enough for today. So take care students. Have a good day.